Hi, today I'm speaking to John Estrada of Deutsche Bank, and you're in charge of the Latin American region for the bank. So what are some of the major trends affecting Latin American financial institutions?
Well, in Latin America, there's an increased focus on regulatory changes. For example, high level of interest in FATCA, Basel III, Dodd-Frank, and the implications of those regulations on their business. Additionally, in Central America and the Caribbean, there seems to be a growing interest in a lot of the compliance issues. For example, clients are focusing on the AML tools, the client screening and monitoring that are an important aspect of their business.
So what about regulatory changes? I mean, how do they impact the region?
Well, many of our clients are focused on the impact to their business of these regulatory changes, and many have to assess what kinds of resources and training they need to put around these types of initiatives. And with Deutsche Bank as a trusted partner, we find ourselves consulting on a regular basis with these customers, hopefully delivering to them the kind of information that will help them make educated decisions, especially with regards to the regulatory environment. So as a trusted partner, we feel that is our responsibility to help them succeed in how they manage their business.
So where do you see the opportunities in the Latin American region?
There are many exciting opportunities in Latin America, especially with the growth in that segment. For example, Brazil is a perfect example, but also Chile, Peru, and Colombia have grown at a rapid pace. What we've seen there is a lot of activity between those markets and Asia, which from our perspective leads to opportunities around cross-border payments, consulting with these clients in terms of their needs. Additionally, these customers, as I mentioned before, look for trusted partners that can support their technological needs. And Deutsche Bank brings many solutions to those markets, whether it be systems and payment solutions and so forth.
So moving on to Sibos, which will be in Asia this year, hosted by Osaka in Japan. So what will be of most interest to Latin American clients at the Sibos event this year?
Well, as mentioned before, I believe that many of the regulatory issues will remain front and center, very important to our clients in Latin America. But in addition to that, I think what we'll see is there's a greater interest in clients in terms of becoming much more efficient, looking at the services that we provide, making sure that we can help them succeed with their customers. How can we deliver solutions that will help them support their client base? So there'll be some discussions with regard to innovation, technology, and pretty much what Deutsche Bank brings to the table to help our clients in support of their business.